Hello kids, how are you? I hope you're fine. But I think you were not able to hear me, right? But you were able to understand that I was greeting you through my sign language, right? So today we are going to talk about some people who cannot see, who cannot hear, who cannot speak, even who cannot walk. Do you know what do we call to those people? We call them differently abled people. Repeat after me. Differently abled people. Now, I am going to show you some methods how these people overcome their disability. Okay? Now, let me show you. Can you see this? Can you see the dots over here? This is known as Braille Script. What do we call it? Braille Script. It is used for the people who cannot see. They can feel the raised dot over here and understand the letters. Let me show you how they work. Now suppose the person is blind and I am coming here, helping her sit. Wait. Now ma'am, I am going to give you Braille Script. Do you know how to read it? No. You know? Yes, you know. You have to feel the letters. Like this, the person who is blind will feel the raised dot. Can you feel which letter is this? You feel?
Y.
Very good. Can you feel this letter?
O.
Yes. Now feel this letter by yourself. Children, can you see how she is using her finger to feel the dots? Yes. Yes.
B.
Very good. So this is how the people who are not able to see can overcome their problem. So this is known as Braille Script, which is having raised dot. The person who cannot see can feel this dot and understand different letters. So people who cannot see uses what to overcome their disability? Braille Script. Repeat after me. Braille Script. Got it? Now, can you see this? What is this? Yes, this is a stick. But this stick can help those people who are not able to walk. They hold the stick like this and they try to walk with the support of the stick. I think you have seen so many people using stick. Now, the people who cannot walk can also use wheelchair and crutches, and they can overcome their disability. Also, some of the people loses their limbs, hands or legs while accident. So what they use? They use artificial limbs. See, can you see? The artificial limbs are used by the people who loses their body part. So here we understood that the people who cannot walk can use wheelchair, artificial limbs, or walking stick, or we can say crutches. Understood? Now, there are some people who cannot hear. Like I did earlier in the video, you were not able to hear me, but you were able to understand it. I was saying hello. How? By lip reading, right? So people who cannot hear can understand lip reading or even sign language. Now, can you guess which letter I am showing you? L, O, V, E. So what it become? La. By this, the people who cannot hear can use sign language to overcome their disability, or they can also read the Similarly, the people who cannot speak, they have to communicate in any way, right? So they also use sign language to communicate. Okay, like you have seen prime time video. Yes, the reporter uses sign language for the people who cannot hear or speak. So the person who cannot speak also uses sign language to communicate with others. So today what we have learned, people who cannot see, hear, speak or walk are known as differently abled people, and they can overcome their problems or disability by using different methods. Like people who cannot see uses Braille Script, people who cannot hear uses sign language or lip reading, people who cannot speak also uses sign language, and people who cannot walk or loses their limbs by accident use wheelchair, artificial limbs, walking stick or crutches to move from one place to another. But one thing we should always learn, that we should treat differently abled people with respect. Okay, so always treat them with respect. We should never make fun of any people who are disabled in all these activities. So students, here our chapter is finished, and I would like to give you homework that read page number 8 and 9 and try to complete the exercise given here. Now the chapter is over. You can do all the exercise by yourself. Stay tuned for the next video of next chapter. Till then, bye-bye. And yes, don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.